Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing very well. This is Giri Ghorami. Welcome to my YouTube channel Giri Daily Life. I am back my new another video. In this video I am going to talk about how we can make conversation with yourself. If you talk about nobody there around of you, okay, no problem. You don't need to think about that. Okay, you are the best teacher of yourself. You can practice with yourself whatever you know. Okay, you can ask yourself. You have to reply also. Suppose I can give you example. Suppose who I am. I can ask me. I am Giri Ghorami. Where I am living. I am living at Mutrapur. How old I am. I am 27 years old. So, and with whom I am practice right now, I am practicing with myself. So you can practice also like me. Okay, you can do this practice like me. If you want to improve your English, you have to be hardworking. Without hardworking, you will not able to speaking very well. When I started English, that time was very difficult. I had to face so many problems. Still, I am a beginner. I am also learning something by practicing. I am recording this video. I know that I am practicing, but I hope in future I will able to speak English very well. And whatever I know and whatever I will try to speak, I just try to speak it out, and I don't worry about my mistake. Mistakes can happen with me. When you try to do something, you have to make mistake. So mistake, it's you can say that mistake is your first step for your success. So don't worry about that. You can make mistake also so many times. So guys, keep practice regularly. Don't worry about that. You have to practice with yourself. Whatever you know, you have to speak it out. You have to speak it out loudly, and you have to regular. You have to keep practice. And suppose you wake up very early morning, so you have to start that time your practice. And when you go to the sleep, and you have to revise again whatever you did, and since morning to evening you have to revise again. So guys, it will be your daily routine. Whatever you will do, you have to try to think in English, and either you will not able to speak English very well. English is very important for us, and we should to learn everybody in English. You have to make conversation with people who are good at in English. You have to make conversation. You have to speak every time in English. And if you have practice regularly, so I hope that after 2 and 3 years later, you will be able to speak English very well. And you know what? I started my English journey since 2023, and so I'm learning. I am try to improving my English. I know that I am something improving English myself. I know that I can feel so, but I don't want to teach you. I just want to share my experience. I am beginner. So guys, I would like to share my experience how I can practice at my home, and when I get free time, I try to practice with myself. Nobody here. Already I told you, nobody here. But I only who I am in my family. I am just practicing with myself. I know that English is very important. If I want, I hope after watching this video, you will learn so many things from here that will be help for your spoken journey. So see you soon. My next another new video I will post in this channel. So keep practice regularly and keep learning something new. Okay, tata, bye bye.